What is up?
Where are we?
I don't know. My eyes are
Oh
starting
my
to
god. Dude, we've never been here on our channel before.
I don't know what
Would
it
you like
is.
to explain where we are?
Well, we're at our farm. Well,
But not my farm. It's his grandma and grandpa's farm.
well,
But
we share a farm pretty much.
we're pretty much here. We're at pretty much here like all summer and doing chores and stuff.
And
so today is our very first ever
vlog.
vlog.
On the
Vlog.
farm.
It's a vlog on the farm. Okay? We're not gonna do daily. It's just gonna be a vlog. Okay? So, first thing to do, we are gonna show you what we do for fun on the vlog. Ready? And go.
Well, we're in Iowa, guys. The sun is melting most of our ice. That's why it's pretty crappy. But look, we still got another about inch of ice.
Thick.
Not very
This isn't
thick.
really thick, but it's thick for a farm.
Over here!
Hello?
Over here!
Over here! Hello? What is up? This is one portion. Where'd you go? Where is he? Okay, well, I guess it's just Bo and Bo. So, welcome, guys. This is what we like to do on the farm. This is just one portion of it. We like playing on the bales.
Ambush!
Oh, there he is.
Ambush!
Alright, well,
Hello, I can't get back up.
alright, well, we'll go and show you the next area of our fun things we like to do on the farm.
Whoa, whoa.
What is up, guys?
We got some,
Yeah, little cat. I guess you wouldn't say little, but
they're about 500 pounds, not big at all, but, yeah, not one that,
pissing at a babe.
yeah, that ain't good, but it makes the barn all soggy, but,
Yeah, it's not fun to clean out, but you know, it's alright.
so, well,
Well, these are the little ones, and let's show you the bigger ones.
just sprinkle it over.
All right. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed our very first vlog on the farm. If you guys want to see the other cattle, just comment down
below.
below and we'll make another vlog on the farm.
And if you want to see some coon trapping this summer, well, put that down below too.
Alright.
Because we need to get rid of all them pests.
Yep. We just love getting rid of them. Alright. So, I guess like
Comment.
and subscribe. I mean,
Duh.
if you're not subscribed already, then what you doing, man? Like, come on. But yeah. Till next time. Peace. Can you knock it up?
Bo, be careful.
So there's
so you
no
don't fall
fucking boots
back,
on.
please.
Holy shit. You just got moon, cows.